creator of Fashion Wars. I have a sickness for fitness and a passion for fashion. Blend those together, you get a fitness-loving fashionista. I love fashion. I love it, I love it, I love it. And with fall here, fall around the corner, first day of fall, September 23rd, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of not one, but two over-the-knee OTK boots by Jessica Simpson. So I'm going to be giving you my reviews of these two beautiful boots, which I wanted to share this unboxing moment with you guys because I don't know, if you're a girly girl like me, I'm a tomboy in the gym. I love to train like a beast, to look like a beauty so I can enjoy an over the knee boot and not be like squeezing my leg in there. So let's get to unboxing. Let's just start with this one. Okay, love the box, by the way. Jessica Simpson. No offense to her, I never was really a big Jessica Simpson fan, like for the music, but I have to give it to her for her boots and her wedges, and her shoes are actually very comfortable. Woo! So animal print is very in style for fall. People say it's in style. I actually think animal print, whether it's python or any other animal print, has always been in style. So this is definitely over the knee. What I like about the back is you have this elastic, so it's going to give you extra give. And the heel isn't way too high, so it's not like a crazy stiletto. You're probably getting 3 inches there. And it's not too pointy because after a day in the super pointy shoes, your dogs are barking. You're like, take this thing off. I like how it has a sheen to it. I like the ruching too. So we're gonna get the other one out and put it on and see how it looks with the dress. Awesome, guys. So if you like my unboxing and my fashion videos, I got much more at my YouTube channel. Let's just go ahead and give it a go. With fall coming, you can wear this with leggings, jeans, skirt, woo, little black dress. Dress it up, dress it down. You could actually go to a business meeting with this because I think it's a power look, but you want to wear it with a nice tailored black pant with a designer buckle belt. Let's give it a look. What do you guys think? Ooh, I'm really loving this. All right, so it hits perfectly up over the knee. What you need to be looking for when you are trying your over the knee boots, make sure you walk a little bit around the aisles at the showroom, okay? Make sure it doesn't start to sag and fall down because there's nothing worse when you're at an event and you gotta go like this every 3 minutes. And you're walking and the thigh-high boot has become an ankle sock. Not good. You want your money back. I'm absolutely loving this one. All right, so I'm gonna keep this on. Box goes there. Whee! And if anyone is ever in the Miami area and you wanna go shopping, hello, I have a black belt in shopping. Call me up. We will be going there. Abracadabra. What do you think is in this one? Do you think it's another animal print? Well, you know me, my nickname is Latibra, so it's another animal print. I think, you know what, I've got a lot of just plain black boots, and they kind of just start looking all the same. And when you wear them, nobody really is like, oh, I love that black boot. So this fall, I wanted to really go wild, to walk on the wild side. Can you guys see that? I'm going to get a little closer. So, walk on the wild side. You can feel like it's textured. It's got like a little faux hair. By the way, no animals were hurt in the creation of these prints. So the python are not real, guys, okay? I love this that it has a ruching again, and it has maybe a 3-inch heel. So cool. I see this with a dark denim jean, right? With a red belt with a red lip. Day, just casual, out and about, you know, black little blazer, little white tank top, not too overdone. So this is the same. By the way, let me give you details of what boot this is. And I got these for a steal. They were usually $200. I got them for $49 each. That's what even makes it even better. So if you want to know where I got these at, email me through my website, jennifernicole.com, okay? And I will give you the inside intel to where I got these. Now make sure you recycle all of your paper, guys. I actually use this stuff. I store my boots in the boxes, and if you don't, make sure you recycle the paper from the plastic. We gotta love Mother Nature, Mother Earth. All right, I want to do a little bit of a test. I'm gonna put on the animal print, and I want you to tell me which one you guys personally like. If you like I'm my own stylist. If you like the python or, gonna get a workout just putting them on, and they're very light. How many of you guys out there have put on a boot and you're like, this has got to weigh 5 pounds? These are very light, which I love, and you're not gonna be clonkety clonk clonk clonking around town. They're very sleek. It's hard to find a good over-the-knee boot without looking like a streetwalker. I'm telling you, ladies, you want to look elegant and classy, not thirsty and desperate, okay? All right, here we go. So which ones do you guys like? Post, let me know. Do you like the spotted animal print? Or the python? Let me know. And in closing, let me give you the name of the shoe. It is the Maxi Leopard Point Micro Suede. This is the Laddie boot. L-A-D-E-E. L-A-D-E-E. So it's Laddie. Jessica Simpson. I got them for 49 bucks. Very happy with the purchase. Thank you for watching my Fashion Wars. Have fun with fashion. You know, when I weighed over 200 pounds, I actually had to wear just one thing. It was big, black, baggy clothes, kind of hiding and masking everything. But now, since I cracked my fat loss code and have kept off the 80 pounds for over close to 17 years, I really celebrate fashion. You can find great finds out there. You don't need to spend a lot of money, especially in the .com age we live in. You can find so many steals and deals and bargains online. And if you see something that I'm wearing and you're like, where did you get that, Jane? Now, someone today even emailed me, I love your high tops. The high tops you wear when you're working out, where did you get those? And I emailed her back and I told her where. So reach out to me. You can go to my website, jennifernicole.com. I love sharing my life with each and every one of you. That's the beauty of it, because sharing is caring. We only have one life to live, and if I can impact and make someone out there smile or just brighten up their day, then I've succeeded, okay? And these boots are made for walking. I love you guys. Make it a great day. And to all my VIPs out there, I love you and I believe in you. And don't forget, 2:30, we have our Jolt. See you guys soon. Bye. Love you, Brooke.